Just got this old Craftsman 42-inch cut mower in the shop that has a broken front axle. Today, we're going to replace it. The owner of this told me his son was out mowing, hit a big hole, and it just broke the axle right there. And you can see it split pretty good. Just gonna lift the front end up. These rubber caps have been on there for probably 20 years and they don't want to come off. So the trick to getting anything loose just about that you can't get off is heat. And in this case, I'm going to use a heat gun, although like a hair dryer or something like that would work just as well. But I'm going to heat this up so it'll come off. Work like a charm. Now to remove the clip, you just take a flathead screwdriver and insert it down here and pry down. And off it comes. There's a couple washers here. And now you should be able to remove that tire. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Mine's kind of busted, so it looks a little different probably than yours. But there's a rod that comes right out from there and attaches here at the steering link. And underneath that rod is a nut. We need to remove that nut. Nut is 9/16, and on the other side of this where the wrench goes is 1/2. Next, we're going to remove 4 bolts on each side of this tractor, and that'll allow us to drop the whole assembly out. One bolt going through the middle of the assembly, and it's 15/16 on each side. This clip. I need a smaller screwdriver to remove this. Nope. There it comes. And now that'll slide right out. And the axle's out. And now I'm just waiting for the new one to come in. Got my new piece in. And now it's just a matter of putting everything back together the way it came off. If you bought new bushings, use them. If not, you can take the old bushings off the old piece and use that. To replace these clips on here, is get them in the groove and push them on as far as you can. And I just like to tap them with a hammer. A little hammer, it pops them right on. I hope this video helped you. Would you mind helping me by taking a moment to click that subscribe button? It doesn't matter if you ever plan to watch another one of my videos again, but when you hit that button, it helps my channel grow either way. I appreciate you.
The best fixer chill or die. One is that the video.